So this is the Comfier Foot Massager, and yeah, this thing's great. I've been using it over the last couple of weeks or so. Very, very good quality, and I didn't think I'd enjoy using it. I mean, it's a bit stereotypical, but I think it's more for the older people, the older generation. But when you've been on your feet all day, especially if you've been for like a long hike or you've been camping for the weekend, sticking your feet in here is unbelievable. Comes in the box with the power supply to plug it in, and it comes in the box with a remote control as well, so you don't have to bend down to change the settings and everything. You can change them from here. It's got different options on the top here. You've got knead, you've got air, which is basically like a bit of a suction. If you've ever used a blood pressure monitor on your arm, similar sort of experience there. An on-off button there. Vibration as well, and then heat, 3 levels of heat. The actual places where you put your feet are good and big enough. I've got a size 12 feet and my feet fit in there no problem at all, and it's very, very good quality. It's made of plastic. On the bottom you've got these steady feet, like foam feet, to stop it moving around, and it's powered here by 12 volt plug. So let me show you how it works and what I've been using it for over the last couple of weeks or so. So here we are. I'm going to put my feet in. Now, I must admit, I've got size 12 feet and it still works nicely. And then you've got the remote in front of us. So I'm going to turn it on. I've got it plugged in, by the way, round the corner. So it's easy to plug in. The wire's long enough. It's probably about 1.5 meters, nearly 2 meters of wire. So it's nice. So we turn it on and we've got the vibration. We've got sort of, you can see here, you've got knead, you've got air, vibration and heat. So what the air does basically is, if you've ever used a blood pressure monitor on your arm, it squeezes your feet in and lets go. It's pretty much the same sort of feeling, and we can have that on high. High is pretty strong, I've got to say. So this is high and it really does squeeze your feet in and then lets go. It's very nice. The heat, by the way, does feel very good. So we can change the heat to high, and that's very, very nice. The remote works really well. It's really easy to use. So that's the air. I'm just have the air on low, and then knead is really nice. We press knead here on high, and it kneads the bottom of your feet really nicely with sort of rotating, massaging balls. It's very nice. And then you've got the vibration as well, which we change with that one, which gives like nice pulsing vibrations to the surrounding of your feet. But the combination of like the heat, the vibration, the kneading, and the air squeeze, just, oh man, it feels very, very good. So after a long day, you can imagine that this would be very nice just to ease your aching feet after like a long walk or something. Very nice indeed. Yeah, fully recommend this. This is something that I'm going to be using all of the time.